Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just gonna be doing like a school get ready with me. I'm just gonna do a simple look probably. So this is my outfit. I'm wearing this shirt and then I'm wearing these white pants. And I'm just gonna kind of go off of like my shirt, so maybe I'll do like some turquoise or something. But first I'm going to start with my eyebrows. I'm gonna be using the Anastasia Dip Brow. I'm going to be doing my eyebrows off camera because it takes like literally 10 years. So I'm back. I did my eyebrows and now I'm going to be doing my foundation. I think. Yes. So I'm going to be using a little mix of two foundations today. I'm going to be using Fit Me foundation in the shade 220. And then the Tarte Double Duty Beauty in the shade Medium Honey, which are not my shades, clearly, but like it matches my neck, so kind of, not really. But God, I need primer. I almost forgot my primer. I'm gonna be using the Hangover primer, so just gonna apply this all over my face. Just letting you guys know that this video was taken early in the morning, so like I honestly don't even remember this clip, so enjoy. Dang, her forehead shiny. I'm so confused. I like to put on my Tarte Shape Tape first, in the shade Fair, which is not my shade, but like it's fine. And I like to put it first and then I blend it in with my foundation. So now that I have my damp beauty blenders, this is the Morphe beauty blender, and then I have just a little, I think this is Real Techniques, just like mini beauty blender. I'm going to blend it.
Put your head on my shoulder, hold me in your arms, baby, squeeze me oh so tight, show me that you love me too. Put your lips next to mine, dear. Won't you kiss me once, baby?
Now I'm going to set my foundation, and I just put it in spots where I need powder. I just want to give a little disclaimer to all the haters that are watching my video right now. I just want to let you guys know that I'm doing fantastic. I'm thriving. All the stuff you probably want to know about me. Yeah, I'm like thriving, and like your hate comments and your hate towards me, I could care less. So nice try, sis. Nice try. I'm getting hate for literally being myself and like putting myself out there. Like, sorry, I'm thriving and you're not. I mean, that's all I have to say. Back to the video. Okay, now, oh wait, now I have to contour. I'm going to be using the Hoola bronzer on my face today. Light contour. Actually, is this bronzer or contour? What's the difference? Oh, this is bronzer, this is not contour. Perfect. Okay, no blush today, honey. Oh, also, I'm like TikTok famous now. I posted a TikTok a while ago, like a week ago, and like now it has like 30,000 views and it has like over 3,000 likes. That's been my dream. Like, I just have wanted to be TikTok famous, you know? Okay, I'm gonna highlight first. I know people wait till the end to do this, but I like to do it like before I do my eyeshadow. That's like weird. So I'm gonna be using the Morphe High Impact Highlighter. It looks like this. It's really pretty. And it's in the shade Lit. This is the Morphe M504 brush. I use it as a highlighter brush. I think it's a highlighter brush. And then I'm just going to spray it with some Mario Badescu. I highly recommend this eyeshadow. I highly recommend this highlighter. It's very easy to apply and it blends really well, so you don't have just a harsh line of highlight in your face. Look at that. Just put that all over your nose. I'm gonna do some eyeliner now. I'm like scared. I haven't done eyeliner in so long. Like, I had really bad eyeliner days, honestly. I had like big wings and they were so bad. So that's my first wing. It's like, okay, that's my first wing. Now I just have to get this one to match. I'm gonna be doing this one off camera just so I can get it good. So I literally just spent like the last like 20 minutes trying to get this wing to match this one, and like it still isn't like perfect, but like it'll have to do. I'm just gonna add some color to my inner corner to like kind of match my shirt. So maybe like pink. Maybe like, this is a James Charles palette, maybe like this shade right here. This one, which might have a pink in it. Just kidding, it doesn't. Oh wait, this might work. Actually, no, it doesn't have any pink in it. Let's see here, I have a brush. All my brushes are dirty. That's what I hate about doing like colored eyeliner.
That's what I hate about doing like colored eyeliner.
Like your brush, once you use them, you have to wash them like after you use them. But like, I'm too lazy to do that, so I forget. I'm gonna be adding this pink shade into my inner corner. That was a lot. And then I'm gonna blend it kind of out. I've never really done this before, so hopefully it looks good because I'm going to school like this. So now I'm gonna do my eyelashes. I'm gonna do my mascara and stuff. I did my eyelashes and I did like my bottom lashes too, and now I'm just gonna apply some eyeliner. I mean, some eyeliner on my waterline because like I love the look of that. So I have this little mini, what is it? It's a Tarte Sex Kitten. it's just like the sample, and I'm really sad because it's like almost out. Like it's literally like out basically. I had to put it like right there on my waterline, and then sometimes on the top too. Like that, you can like, it's a big difference. And then I go like this. Oh, like that. So I think I'm finished with my makeup look. It's really simple yet like dramatic kind of. But I hope you like this quick little makeup get ready with me for school. And if you liked it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, please. Mwah. I also just wanted to show you guys my outfit of the day. So this is a Neff beanie. I got it from Zoomies. This is a crop top shirt, and it's from Forever 21. I don't know what it says. Sunset Nights, I think. And then these pants are actually from Forever 21, which are surprising because they don't have the best pants. And then I have a little fanny pack from, I have nothing in it right now, but it's from Pink. And then I have my good old Birkenstocks, you know, that's an Oregon thing. But yeah, other than that, thank you guys for watching. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye!